Hi everybody! Today we are going to draw a hat. So this might be a little bit hard for some of you, but try your best. And if you need to, Mom or Dad can draw it for you and you can trace it. So the first thing we're going to do is draw the hat. So it's almost like a triangle, but we're going to have a round top. So I'm going to start up here and I'm going to go around and down, curve it a little, curve again, and back up to the top with a curve. It's not perfect, but it's okay. And then I'm going to put extra piece on the bottom because I like to have my hat with the fluffy parts. And then a pom-pom on top. I'm going to draw a circle for our pom-pom. So now that you have a hat, I'm going to use some crayons and I want you to practice different styles of lines. So first I'm going to start with a diagonal line. And I'm going to go up and down like a zigzag. When we make our diagonal lines, we slide down. And make sure if you watched me, I did a diagonal line, I slid down, I stopped so that I got a point at the bottom and then went back up and slid up. So nice and slow so we get some nice diagonal lines. Next, I'm going to draw a line across, but I'm going to put mine on top of my diagonal lines. So make sure you're starting at the right spot and there's no overhangs. And I'm just going to go right across like that. I think I'm going to draw some stripes down. Starting at the top and going big line down to the bottom. Do your best to start and stop at the right spot so you have no pieces hanging over. Let's see, what am I going to draw next? I think my hat needs some polka dots. So circles start at the top, around, back up to the top, and make sure they are closed. I'm spreading my polka dots out. I think I can fit one more here. Are your circles the same sizes or are they different sizes? I'm putting some smaller ones in now. Which is the biggest circle that you drew? I think it's this one for mine. And then a medium-sized circle is here, and I think that's my smallest one. Okay, next I'm going to make some plus signs. Go line down, line across. That's not a very good color. You can't see that very well. Let me change colors. I'll do blue. So line down, line across. And I'm going to do some of those. Now I'm going to try something different. I'm going to do X. I think I'm going to change colors again. Ooh, what color should I use this time? I think I'm going to use this color. So X is like our diagonal lines. So you slide down, pick up your pencil, go back to the top on the other side, and slide down the other way. Try and make sure that they start and stop at about the same place. I think now inside of my diagonal lines, I'm going to draw a triangle, because that's what they make, a triangle. Slide down, across, slide up. Oh, this is so much fun. Did you enjoy the story Mrs. Scott read you? It looked like a really good book. How else are you going to decorate your hats? I would love to see all your pictures when you are done. You can upload them onto Google Classroom and I'll be able to see them all. And if you want, you may color in your spaces. And when you're coloring, remember, we move our hand and our wrist, not our whole arm. And we try and stay inside the lines. So we have to make slow movements. Nice job, everybody. I can't wait to see all your hats. Bye.